Hi, this is Molly with Sunwest Silver. I was going to do a little demo on how to make shot. This is how I do it. Works well for me. So here we go. I usually just use scrap off my bench. And then you just put your torch on it. It'll pop up into a little ball. It'll just plump up. I really like my shot really nice and plump. So I take, once it's melted, I grab my torch and go straight down on it with the blue flame, and it creates an absolutely perfect sphere. That's a nice size ball. Can you see it? I hate to bring it up too high. There it is right there. I did do accidentally cut up some fine silver. I wanted to show you the difference. Well, this is sterling and this is fine. So this is what you use for bezel. This is 0.999. So here it goes, down on it. Watch this. It's fine silver. It's not going to tarnish or oxidize. That's pretty cool. Okay, so what you can use those for is we're going to do a demo on Star Shot on Friday at the 2 o'clock show on Facebook, Sunwest Silver Co. And then I'm going to show you how to turn these little shots into Star Shot. Here's a piece I have that has got some shot already, graduated shot on it. It just has a really elegant, nice Art Nouveau look. Okay, thanks. Hope to see you Friday. Bye.